You ask for it.
Welcome back to another episode of You Asked For It, where we answer your real estate and VA loan questions. My name is Jason Rivera. Let's get started. Last week we were talking about calculating bonus entitlement. This week we will be talking about one-time restoration, the alternative to utilizing your bonus entitlement. So when do you use the one-time restoration? Ultimately, it's up to you as a veteran to determine which route you want to go. But in most cases, using the one-time restoration happens because you either have calculated your bonus entitlement and realize you have no entitlement left, or you've done the calculation and realized that the down payment required exceeds either your funds available, or you'd rather just keep the funds in the bank. And the last area that you would actually utilize the one-time restoration is you've had a VA loan and you've paid that VA loan off. Maybe you've been in the house for 30 years or you've paid it off quicker than expected. In any of those three cases, you can utilize the one-time restoration. Let's talk about how that works. And it's quite simple. What you're going to do is, if you have a VA loan and you would like to utilize the one-time restoration, you have to refinance out of that VA loan into another loan product, typically a conventional loan. The alternative to that is you've paid off that VA loan. Then you will fill out a form, a 26-1880, to restore your eligibility. Once it's submitted, the entitlement used on that loan will be restored to your certificate of eligibility. If you only had one loan, you get full entitlement restored back. But if you had maybe two homes or two loans, it's only going to restore the loan that you refinanced out of or paid off. The only negative to the one-time restoration is that once you've used it, if you decide to purchase another home after utilizing the one-time restoration, the VA states that you must dispose of all property or properties obtained with a VA loan prior to you using your VA loan again. This information can be found in the VA Manual M26-7, Chapter 2, Veterans Eligibility and Entitlement. I've outlined it here. Also in this example, the other issue with using the one-time restoration is that it is only one time. So once you've used it, you no longer have that benefit. So it's kind of one of those things that when you do decide to use it, that you want to make sure that, hey, like this is my forever home, or you have a plan going forward, because this isn't an option that you'll have available repeatedly. If you have questions, feel free to email me at vaquestions@teamlrn.com. Look forward to talking to you guys next week.